Okay, this is how you make a cardboard loom. So you start with a small rectangle. You can go this way or this way. This way you'll be weaving across like this, and this way you'll weave like this. I'm going to choose this because it'll be less to fill up. So you just want to cut slits evenly. Just do your best to space them out so that they're the equal distance apart, and just cut little slits in the bottom. And then you want to turn it around and try to line up the slits so that they're across from each other, because that's where those vertical strands are going to be. So if the slits are at a different distance apart, then your vertical strands will be crooked or at a diagonal. So you don't have to measure it, but you just want to kind of line it up before you cut. So now we've got slits at the top and slits at the bottom. And then you want to go to the yarn area and select a color of yarn. So I'm going to choose white, so I have a nice white background. So let me get my stand so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to pull, and I'm going to take some tape and tape down the first side of it. So let's see. So I'm going to tape down just a little bit, like a little tag. I'm going to tape that down. Okay, then I'm going to put it through the first slit and pull it down. And I'm going to keep pulling on my string. I'm not going to cut it. I'm going to put it through the other slit and back through the first one. So we got our first vertical line. Then you're going to put it through the other one, and then on the top, this one, all the way across those slits. So you've got vertical lines to weave through. So that last one, we want to tape that one down, probably on the back. So I'm gonna get a little more tape, and I'm gonna tape it down on the back. So that's gonna keep our strings taut so that it's easier to weave through. So now I've got my thing attached to the yarn, so I'm going to take my scissors from the yarn scissors, and I'm going to cut right here along this line so somebody else can pull. So now I've just got a little bit hanging off, and we want to cut that off so it's not hanging like this. I don't have two hands, so it's hard for me to cut. There. So now we've got a nice loom. So that's the back. That's the back, and this is the front. So then now you can weave through it across and work your way up to try to fill it up and pull down the strands so that you can fit lots of patterns in there. So that's how you make your own loom.